Hi, welcome back to the video everyone. In the previous video we have seen about what join is. We have understood about what join is, what are the queries that we are using, right? We have understood about the difference between the join and the inner join. In this video we are going to understand about three things. First is left join, right join, and then the full outer join. So left join means that whenever we just want the information about just one table, or as the previous example that we were discussing about the companies, so if we want the data of just a company A, so we need to put a left join on it, okay? And if you need the information about the right company, that is B company, okay, so you need to use the right join in that situation. So first let's discuss about these two joins and then we'll proceed further with the full outer joins. Okay, so this is the difference that we are having about the left join and the right join, where left join is just pulling the data that is coming from left join. Okay, the common data that they have both in between, that is not included in this, and then the data that is just present in the left table, that is also not included in the left join query. Okay, and the same vice versa will be in the right join. Okay, now let's come directly to our SSMS, and here we will try to implement this. Okay, so everything will be same. We are just going to create a copy of it. Okay, create actually two copies will do, which is left join, and here also we will mention as left join. Then similarly we will also create for right join, okay, where we are going to mention about right join. One more thing, let's add the name of the column also so that we don't have any confusion. So I will mention here the name of the column as left join, here as right join. Okay, so these are the two columns that I have. Now as we are aware about the table that I have imported earlier, you must have seen that, right? So table B is my larger table, that is DB2 is my larger table. So that, what does that mean? So that means if I use the right join, I will be getting more data count as comparison to the left join. Okay, let's see that. So this is my entire query, and if I run this, so just see the difference. First four digits are the same, then after that left join is 6-4, right join is 6-7. So you can see that my right join is greater because the table that I was using, the DB2 table, was actually greater than the DB1 table. Okay, that's why the right table is larger. Now one more important thing that I missed, I guess, in the previous video, that among these diagrams that I'm basically showing you, that is table 1 and table 2, then in terms of queries, okay, in terms of query, which can be possibly my right table or which will be my left table, how to recognize that? Okay, so first let's go to the query, okay, and let's understand from the right join query. So in this, as I said, that DB2 is my larger column, that's why I'm getting larger count on DB2, that is right join. So by this query that we have used for the right join, okay, you can see the table that is used after the query initiation. At first, when we initiated the query with the select statement, we are using DB1, right? So that will be my first left join, or the first left table, or table 1 will be my this one, and right table or the second table will be DB2. Okay, so this way we are getting the data as DB2 as table 2 and DB1 as table 1. and from this diagram if I compare. Okay, now let's understand about full outer join, or you can also say it as a full join. So in full joins, the number of possibilities of the answers or the results that we are getting is very high. Means the amount of result, the count of results that we will be getting on full outer join will be a very huge amount as comparison to any inner join or something, any other join, because this will combine the entire data of table 1 as well as table 2, not just matching the data, nothing. It will not check anything. It will just combine all the possibilities that it has about connecting the data. Let me show you that as well. If I go with full outer join, okay, and then rename this also. Okay, now this is about my full outer join. Let me just show you the query now. You can see the count is very much increased, right, in the full outer join. If I show you the entire count of each and every join that we have, so that you can easily understand. Let's me just add here as in a join okay, I need to mention something over here, so I will mention one underscore join, left join, right join. Yeah, so let's run the entire query and now just see the differences and all. So inner join and join is the same thing. Left join is having the less data as comparison to right join, and then the full outer join is having the highest data. Okay, you can see 6737 is the highest data that we have got till now, and then the full data is 6744. Okay, here we have 37, here we have 44. So this is the way how joins are basically used. This is very simple thing that you can see, right? People are complicating the joins, that joins are difficult. We need to understand how the tables are moving and all those things, but it's actually easy. It's not that much difficult that we need to look on it, so it is quite easy that we can do. Okay, so this is the joins query. I will be uploading this as also in the GitHubs. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in the next video.